this video, we are going to be learning English mainly about tenses. So what are tenses in English? So tenses are basically the time. Tense means time. Uh, and so there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. So it's what happened before now, what is happening now, and what is going to happen after now. So that's pretty simple to start. Afterwards, so there. So now we can get. I'll describe them afterwards, but yeah, we'll start with the list of tenses. So the first tense is very basic, simple present tense. As it sounds, it's as you can probably guess, it's a simple present. So normal present tense. That is, I go to school. Like it's a present day thing. It happens now. It stuff like that. Then there is present continuous or present progressive. Progressive and continuous mean the same thing. Uh, so what the difference between continuous and progressive and simple present is that in present progressive or present continuous there's an ing. So for example, I am doing, ing, do. I do is simple present. I am doing is simple present progressive. So next, past tense. So past tense. Um, so past tense, just as I covered before, it's what happened before now. So before now, for example, is uh, I I walked to school. Ed. For past tense, it's always ed. Uh, yeah. So if it's present tense, I walk. For past tense, it's I walked, and I'm sure some of you could at least guess it. The next one coming would be past progressive. So that the previous one was present progressive or present continuous. This is past continuous or past progressive. So here it's not happening now. It's not ing with now. It's ing in the past. So I was doing. I was walking. So I was eating the cake my mother baked for me. And also the future tense. Mainly future tense is will. It's like I will eat that cake I uh, bought yesterday. Will. I will do it next time. I will do it in the future. So those are the basic tenses. Um, I'll do a bigger video with about more of the advanced tenses next time. And for now, that is all. So if you learn something from this video, please like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and that stuff. Bye. Have a nice day.